Hey, welcome again. Today we are going to make YouTube thumbnails. So we are not going to use here any software. We are going to make a thumbnail online. You can see so many people here that how they are creating this. Well, these professional YouTubers use illustrators, but if you have a small channel like about cooking channel, vlog channel, facts channel, education channel, you know a lot of YouTubers do this online. They do not need software for doing this. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, so first of all, I can show you my video that I create. It's a 5-second duration video, but it's okay. Because we are learning to make thumbnails, it's a short video and it is a fact written on it that the entire population could fit inside Los Angeles. It's not a joke, but a reality if people stood shoulder to shoulder. Well, anyway, it's a video and we are going to make a thumbnail. You know it's a video about a fact. I mean a fact video. So obviously you have to make a fact thumbnail for it. One thing you see here is that it says the entire population could fit inside Los Angeles. So the thumbnail you have to make is facts about Los Angeles. Well, obviously you have to write something on the thumbnail, so we are going to write it in our thumbnail. Now we are going to create it. Let's start this. I'm using here a Canva. It is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Users can also pay for physical products to be printed and shipped. Now here on the search bar, you have to search YouTube thumbnail. Well, you can see it shows here, so simply we are going to click on it. First of all, it brings you to another tab, and here all the work is going to be done. Now first you see on the left side are pre-made templates. You can see thousands of them and you can use it and edit it. And if you want to create of your own, start with a blank canvas. Now the next thing you see is elements, where you can find vectors, shapes, and stickers, and also stock photos and footages. The next thing is upload. Well, simply you can upload any photo or video from your device and you can edit here. And the next thing is text. Well, no need to explain it. You can add your own text and also these beautiful designs text. But watch out for premium things. Some features are premium. If you make a purchase, then you don't have to face this type of issue. We are now going to start it. You see that there are so many beautiful templates, and funny thing, you can find it in premium. So no need to worry about it, we can design it by ourselves. So here I like this one and it's really awesome. This is now a pro version, so we are going to make it ourselves. First of all, we are going to take a square shape for elements. I'm going to take its color purple. Because here it is purple. It's a dark purple, but it's okay, we're going to use it. And the important thing is that we are going to tilt it here a little. Now the next thing is the picture. Obviously, you're not going to use this photo, but a photo that our video describes. It's about the fact of Los Angeles, so we are going to search here Los Angeles. Now you can see here these photos, but listen, if you don't find the right photo that suits your thumbnail perfect, you can go and search for these royalty-free stock image and videos. Best royalty-free stock images you can find on Pixabay, and if you want to find stock videos, you can go for Pexels, where you can find both images and videos. All right, now we are going to download it from one of these websites. I'm going to search here Los Angeles. 1,000 of photos you can see here. We are going to download it from here. All right. So this photo we are going to upload in Canva. We will go and upload. And then upload media. I'm going to upload a photo here. Now simply what we are going to do is right click on the photo and then select center back. Now this looks awesome. We are going to adjust it a little. Right now this isn't complete. You can see here that it has some designs on this template. So we are going to search this in elements. You can see here there are 3 to 4 elements here, a circle, a cross, and a line. So we are going to add it. We are going to search in the elements section. First we are going to search for cross. Well, see, we find it in no time. Just simply we are going to make it small. You see there are a total of 2 crosses, so we are going to add 2 crosses. Simply click on cross and then right click, select copy, and then paste. So these here are 2 crosses. Now 2 circles, so we are going to search it. We can also find it in the lines and shapes section. Click on see all. And then search for the unfilled circle. Now see where this circle, the template, is placed, so we are going to add it in our thumbnail. Now it looks perfect. The third thing is lines. Well, we can find them easily. Alright, now we are going to adjust it. It's now a bigger line, so we are going to increase its thickness. Now the last thing is text, and it's very easy. I'm going to select here a bigger one. You have the choice, you can select any one of them. You can also change the font style if you want. I suggest you to use League Spartan. So now we are going to write our text here. You can also change the color of the text if you want. I also suggest you write text in uppercase because it gives a look. All right, here is our thumbnail. We can download it. On the top right, you can see a download button. Click on this and click on download. Now I can show you my design. Here you can see an amazing quality and perfect looking. I think people will definitely click if you create this type of thumbnail. So you see, we create it online without using any software. So I help you by telling you this whole process that you can create this type of thumbnail for free. Now you have to help me by pressing on subscribe button and bell icon. And if this video is helpful, let me know by clicking on the like button. Well, it will take less than 1 minute. Please do it, I'm waiting for you. Until then, take care. See you next time.